Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with no makeup on and my hair is wet and I just got out of the shower. But as I was getting into my pajamas and about to relax for the night, I got a notification on my ring that I had a package at the door. So I went downstairs and this was here and I was like, I can't wait to open this. So I have to just come on here with no makeup on and my hair wet and just do this now because I honestly just want to see what's in here. I've never gotten a deluxe mystery box before. I did have the medium one for the summer collection, but I never had the deluxe one before. So on Thanksgiving, I set an alarm and I made sure I was on there. So this was $100 hairs. A lot of doll hairs, if you ask me, but let's hope it's worth it. Okay. Oh no, I'm scared already. So this is what I see when I open it. I don't know what this is. Is this a sweatshirt? So this is the first thing I see. Oh no, I'm nervous. As I'm looking in, I'm scared. Okay. Oh, it is a sweatshirt. No way. Okay. I mean, it's definitely not the cutest. I mean, it's cute, but like, I liked his, like tie-dye one. But this is cute. It says, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Premium Cosmetics Company, 5-year anniversary, Calabasas, California. So, it's cute. It's a vibe. And then, what's this? Iconic. We have iconic on the end. So that's fun. Okay, so that's the first item. Then I see the next item is a straw, but it's a cute straw. This is so pretty for Christmas. It has like candy cane and it has the little cleaner in it too. So that's cute. I know it's not makeup, but like, I'm down. It's very cute. So how many items were supposed to be in here? I think it was 8. 1, 2, 3. Is this just paper? That's just paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. So the next one, since I'm gonna be annoyed with because this is not an item, is stickers. Right? I'm assuming these are stickers. Yeah. So we have. What does this one say? Can't relate. Hi, how are ya? There's cherries. Beauty killer with his little mirror on there. Blend. Jeffree Star approved, and Frosty, and Blue Blood, and the Thesis. So that's what we have here. Definitely not a product, but I think this is a palette in here, so I'm gonna save those for last because I'm not. Wait a second, wasn't there like a product in here that was only for this? Whatever. Okay, whatever. So the next one we have is Karma. This must not be green because this girl cannot wear green. I'm scared. Oh. What is that? What is this? Can I wear this? I don't know if I'm going to even... boy, this looks like baby poop. That's legitimately baby poop. Why? What did I use that for? That's not okay. What the heck? That's so ugly. Okay. Next. So this looks like this is something from the summer collection, and I think oh no. Okay, so another non-wearable lipstick. This is bronze. There's no way that's gonna look cute on my lips. Maybe as an eyeshadow. Definitely as an eyeshadow. Yeah, I'll use it as an eyeshadow, but definitely not for lips. That's like way too crazy. Another one, I don't know what the heck I'm even gonna use that for because it looks like baby poop. I'm really, if these last 2 or 3 items are not banging, I'm gonna be really sad because I spent $100. Okay, next we have a Supreme Frost. Now I don't have any Supreme Frost, so we'll see. This says Frozen Peach. Oh, okay, finally something wearable. So this Frozen Peach, let's see. I don't see much pigment here. That one, I don't really see much of a pigment, but at least it's wearable, so that at least helps. Okay, so we have two more products. We have this here and this here. This one seems like a palette, so I'm going to wait on that one. Let's open this one first. No way. Okay. This is the Peppermint Frost Highlight Palette. Okay, I don't even know what this looks like though. What does this say? Beauty tip. This product is versatile and can be used for the face and body. Apply it with a brush of your choice and let yourself shine. A little goes a long way. This product can be used wet or dry depending on your desired intensity. So, oh, that's so cute with the candy canes. Oh, yes. Wearable. Cute. Very cute. Okay, let's do some swatchy swatch. This is Ugly Sweater. Oh my god. Alright, where are we going to swatch this guy? Oh my Lanza. Look at that guy. Wow, that's nice. Okay, the next one is Igloo Gold, which is right here. That's nice and pigmented too. That's right next to it. Okay, we're making up. Next one is Chocolate Ice. So that one's a little dark for my complexion because I'm pale. But it might actually work. It's right here. Okay, so that one kind of made up for most of this. Hold on, I gotta kind of, don't want to touch anything else. That kind of made up for the two unwearable colors. I could definitely wear the one lipstick as an eyeshadow. So let's see what this last Mama Jamba is. I definitely thought there was a limited edition lipstick in here though. What's this? Androgyny palette. No way! Okay, so I don't have this. So this is a whole eyeshadow palette. The only palette I have from him is the Blood Sugar palette. I tried to get the Shane palette and unfortunately could not get it. So I have to wait until that comes back out. So here's the Androgyny palette. I never actually even seen this one. Oh, it's really pretty on the inside. So these are definitely darker colors. That's just due to that I think I would really like. So this is Deja Vu. It's like a shimmery bronze. That's pretty. And let's do Frosting, and then we'll do one of the blues. This is Frosting. Pretty. And let's do a blue. Which one? Poison or Swallow? Let's do Swallow. Well, that's a dark blue. A little chalky to BH. Like, I think maybe his formula changed from this palette to the next palettes because that blue is definitely chalkier than the other ones. So that's all we have in the box. Now, once again, I just should not do these ones because, okay, yes, I'll probably use this. But I wouldn't have bought it myself. I'll definitely, this one made up for everything. This one I'll definitely use. But that does not make my $100 back. This I will use, but it did feel also a little chalky, if I'm being completely honest with you. And now these two lipsticks, the bronze I definitely will use as like a crease color, but like, what am I supposed to do with this green thing. What am I supposed to do with that? I honestly do not know. And then the last two items of this, I don't necessarily count because they're not beauty. And then we have the sweatshirt, which I do like, but I don't know. I'm kind of like in a kind of happy, kind of not happy feeling right now. But I probably won't be doing another one of these ever again. But like, will I? Probably. So let me know what you guys thought of it, and if you guys got different products, let me know what products you got. I'd be interested to know. And if you guys can think of anything I could do with this baby poop color, let me know, please, because what am I doing with this? Okay? Subscribe, hit the like button down below, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!